republican state governed by elected representatives. The SB resolution, Sangguniang Bayan Resolutions 737, 738, and 739 was adopted by the representatives of the people of Bawang. The representatives who were entrusted on running the affairs of the government and likewise given the discernment on who are deserving to be given such dialogue.
Nga ti rehiyon no sangket ti pagilian tayo nga Pilipinas. First of all, we thank our Lord Almighty for this very precious moment, historical at that, to honor the people, the organizations that have contributed to what Bawang is right now. And I thank the Lord for all the citizens of Bawang for being with us in this administration, propelling our economy as the #1 economy in Region 1.
I close my eyes and I can see the world that's waiting for me, that I call mine. Through the dark, through the door, through when no one's been before, but it feels like home. To Dr. Alan Ike. And Development Officer. Bureau of Fire Protection, now the Regional Director of Bureau of Fire Protection, Region 1, Bawang Tawid Award is presented to Fire Chief Superintendent Leonida V. Gumana Brusales, Regional Director of Bureau of Fire Protection, Region 1, to be represented by Jefferson J. Hidalgo, Fire Senior Inspector. Is presented to our esteemed consultant, Mr. Peter Paul R. Nunn.
But when I became part of the Bawang Tourism Council, incidentally, it was the Bawangeños Association of Hong Kong. I was with my wife and we joined Mayor Martin and the Bagak Choir. And paisuli ko na ni Mayor Tatay. That was the very first time that I had a trip overseas with Mayor Martin. And I said to the other people there, sabali dati mayor yun. I've been with many mayors from many cities, not just in La Union, all around the Philippines. And I was amazed kasi instead of us serving him, he was the one serving us. And so, you know, when actually Taybec had been a sister city of Baguio for 10 years at that point. Kaya sabi ko, I would like to find us a sister city in Bawang as well, because this looks like a place that deserves this kind of relationship.
2 for my former school, the Don Yolong de Guzman Memorial National High School, and 1 for myself. The remarkable stride of our municipality is due to the efficient and effective leadership of the department heads, and of course, the municipal officials and the line agencies. The accolades or awards in our municipality showcase the exceeded standards of our municipal innovations and service delivery. And of course, innovation is our tradition and excellence is a habit for Bawangeños. I hope that this recognition fuels you and all of us, which will drive us to keep pushing us to the boundaries and steer us towards even greater boundaries.